Amagima omwanchi omulieni gocharegire chinsa isano na ibere chiabono mugaso asene yaliganiri kurwega semesa ya mangana meya imega taseni kia Ndizi TV elindengo erere na raya nyari ko bakago korekana kurwa chingongo inye chionsi chense chinga kitoroche ekigambero gya Supreme Court kegendete kogaya na engana yogo tuguterwale amachibu yekiro kyobora ibwense omwanchi omulieni gotogendete gukoya bwateria kolende ntokomanye ase obwime kenda gotobwatia ase chinsemo chimitandao ase nsemo ya Facebook na bagotonyera gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bago ase nsemo ya YouTube na bagotonyera gwetera Ndizi TV News ase nsemo ya website na bagotonyera gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke gomwanchu muri karansa oike lindengo erere ase nchira yobwenge ilitaria ne Frida Kerubo na ase chinsemo chibyorokerelyo nigotokobwatera nere Joshua Autangwira nanda segekeke ngomanyi amange. Amayenda nigo abwatetense ase ekenyorogia tondoli sub county ya Masaba North magega yo musacha oyo mogwe samba na boigo samba abana bae babere kolinde obotuki nigo bogenderete ase abanyanyimbo barachikogana enganeyo na boigo konyora obwene obwenganeyo abanyakirogo nigo babwate maoni yabo ase batebire ningi yakorekana ase ekenyoreke kolinde tiango tenda sensemo ya kabere studio toigu na kibagotewa
Samari tangro Nelson Mbaba Mose ende kasi niyo muroyo uyo samba buye sambo samba na abana baye babere ena kirwesi myanga saa 10 cyabo tuko no mungino ante binga asango atali bintu nyumba nchumoto koni natirimbuka natire chikasi nchinde isato twachororo twanyora ari violent yabo atomo kwatebiro le binyumba gusira ko ruku Eric asa makoli ekenyoreke gekoro kutondori kerange na Masaba North sub county
okorora kwane asamana yatokeira abantu go prime police officer ekera barangerigwo ebaferi gokore their duty iba anya basinyi komoa attack eba kurangeri enforcement and that's all go baferi na baira amechangia kwa imana kutokea
Tingaki omwanchi omulia togendete gukubwatelia ekina gerebo sibwe kigambero gya Supreme ase omuwakiri Julie Soweto ase nsemo yae nigatebire buna kolengana na machibu korwa ase chi county isano na isato nigo abwate obotutukanu ase chi form chia 34A chitibwe kaini na chirichire ase ekyombe gya IBC kolengana nere nigo chi form chichenyete ko bachigoika ase egetwekenene bwate obututukano na boigo oboene botayo ase ogotangaso kwa machibu yobochoryo bonene boigo gokorekana ase enchera eyobwasioko.
The Forms 34A received by the petitioner's agents vis-a-vis the Forms 34A uploaded in the IBC portal and those brought to the tallying center are different. The sampled forms were from Bomet, Kiambu, and Kakamega counties. It is our contention that what the IEBC set out to procure is not what they procured in the first instance. Therefore, we cannot even match the forms that we have and that have been provided in the election to what they had set out to procure.
Tinga kietio voigo kolengana no mwakiri James Orengo nigo aganirie ekigambero gotuguterare amachibu yekirogo kyobora ibwense asekelia gotabuna nigo obochori obumbwa kolekanite asenchira eyobone no bwasioku asagotabuna ekyombe gya IBC ngia begeto merobele yabene asokwene kibuna kera obochori gosekera amachibu aikiranire asenchira yabene.
If the total number of voters that take part in the election do not agree with the votes that are counted as cast in accordance with Article 138(4), if they don't agree, then it means that the results of that election are not accurate they're not transparent, and they're not accountable. There was a systematic deduction of the votes cast for the first petitioner, and the same number of votes that were deducted from the petitioner were added to the votes of the second respondent. We urge that you nullify the elections on the basis of the fact that the second respondent did not attain more than 50% plus one of the votes cast in the election.
Philip Mgor asense moyaye nereni gatebire buna oborori boiseine mborororo obokoene kibuna obochori mbwa korekanete ase enchira endonge korengane nereni gakoteba buna ogosona nagati ngororo gocha ase ekyombe gya IBC amatuko atatu magega yobochori gokorekana ekiokere ekiorokereri kyabene buna obochori mbwa korekanete ase enchira endonge naboigo amachibu anyate ko bakagosokigwa nekyombe getenito obochori nechimbebe IBC tarenge maikerano.
How he saw this young person illegally and very easily access the IBC system, where he was able to see information including that of his name and other accredited observers at the IBC National Tallying Center, and pages 13 and 18 of certain screen grabs. In the affidavit dated 28th August 2022, page 2, paragraph 4, John Githongo clarifies what was given to him in the first affidavit, but more importantly, at page 2, paragraph 6, he produces the actual logs that were used to show access to the system. But in further evidence, I will demonstrate to the court that it now turns out that that is probably and most likely what happened and what created this entire mess that is called the election results of the 2020-22 presidential election.
Umwanche omurigereria kurwa sorobotiro nigo naikire omoerio wa mangana maye asebire biga kulinde ngo gosabato basaguskato basakonyegera ayona mange ntogendere gukubwatiria anene mono kurwa ase ekigambero gya Supreme maga yichikamera asoko ene kibuna ebichana boigo eliogiria gwikira sole asenchera eyabene nere Petronira mukira tonyako tukubwatanere Joshua Auta ase chinsemo chibirokererio nenche Eliane Frida kerubongo koganelia oburigereria obuya.